Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification, and that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. All right, so what are we going to be doing today? Well, today we'll be making some passion fruit juice from passion fruit that I got from my garden. So let's get started. Hi guys, I'm out in the garden this morning because I wanted to show you my passion fruit vine, how well it's doing, and how we can make passion fruit juice from our passion fruit. So let me switch around, and well, in the background here you can see the passion fruit vine in the back here on my fence. Okay, with the passion fruit, I don't pick it, or you don't want to pick it. What you want to do is you allow it to drop for itself. So when it drops, that's when you would pick it up, but you don't physically go and pull it from the vine. No, you let the passion fruit naturally fall from the vine, and then you collect it. Some fell, and so this morning there are a couple that I can pick up, and then we're going to head inside for me to show you how to make some passion fruit juice. Okay, all right, so to do our passion fruit, I've already started, and what we're going to do, we're going to cut it open. Now we're going to scoop it out. Okay, so see here, we're scooping it in the bowl. We're scooping out all the pulp from our passion fruit. So I'm going to get to scooping out all of this, guys, and then I'll be back to show you the next step. Okay guys, so to make our passion fruit juice, we'd want to use about 8 to 10 passion fruits, the pulp from 8 to 10 passion fruits, in order to get a regular strength juice. If you wanted a little more intensified in terms of flavor, then you can add more passion fruits to it, but if you just want a regular strength, then you would want to use between 8 to 10 passion fruits, the pulp from 8 to 10 passion fruits. And what we're going to do now is we're going to put it in our blender here to pulse. Now, we don't want to pulse it too much to completely break up the seeds. I'm going to pulse it about 3 times, and I'm going to press it down for 1 to 2 seconds. In that way, I don't pulverize the seeds, okay? All right. Oh, you know what, guys? Maybe I should show you what I'm doing. All right, so let me do that. I'm going to bring the blender over here, but before I bring it over here, I just want to show you, this is something optional. If you want to infuse your passion fruit juice with a little ginger, you can just get some ginger pieces. This is some ginger I got from my garden. Just going to smash it. Oh my goodness, where is it? You know what, let me use this to smash it. Smash some of these ginger pieces, and what I'm going to do is put it in my water that I'm going to put my pulp in to infuse the juice with some ginger. This is optional. All right, that's okay there. I'm just going to throw it in the meantime because I want to bring, so I don't know if you saw that, I put a ginger in here. And let me bring the blender over here. All right, so let's pause this here. The pulse is this one. Whoa, whoa, got a little, I'm going to have to press that down. So I think I did 3 already, right? Let me just do, all right, I think that's it. We're not going to do any more. That should be good. All right, so let's take that off. Now we need to strain this. So wait a minute, we're gonna use this here to strain. So we get our strainer. Oh, this is hurting my neck, guys. All right, I should think that is good. So now we have our juice here. See that? This is 4 cups of cold water. And remember, I put some ginger in here to infuse it. So we're going to pour our concentrate into our 4 cups of water. Now to sweeten this, you could either use 1/2 cup of sugar or 3/4 cup of sugar. So it's up to you. My suggestion is to make it into a simple syrup and then add it. How do you make a simple syrup? It's quite easy. Equal amounts of sugar to equal amounts of water. So if you're using a 1/2 cup of sugar, then you put 1/2 cup of water, heat it over the stove, melt it. If you're using 3/4 cups of sugar, 3/4 cups of water, you melt it. So I created a simple syrup here. I'm going to add to it. Now, another option to this juice, put in a little vanilla essence to it. That is optional, but I will add a little bit of vanilla essence to it as well. So let me get the vanilla essence. We put about, I guess, a teaspoon of it, or a little less. Just put a little vanilla essence. All right, so that's it there, guys. This is our passion fruit juice that we made from the passion fruit that we grew in our garden. So once again, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.